Hello and welcome to Coaster Gents and the second Nemesis construction update. So Alton Towers have put out 2 new emails to the public about the Phalanx and a bit of the storyline, and there was a big focus on the egg and that the Phalanx are trying to regenerate it, which all points towards TERRA reopening once again, and I'm so excited. I'll definitely keep you updated with anything official that is put out, but that is the first official post that has actually teased it coming back.
The Nemesis creature, an alien predator from another dimension. When discovered, the enraged creature went berserk.
The other guy.
For your own safety, please obey all instructions given to you by the Phalanx operatives.
So just over there are the first supports for the first inversion. So as you can see, it just goes up there, then into the first corkscrew with the new supports, round into the helix, and then just over there is where the first bit of track has been put in. So down by the entranceway into Nemesis is this brand new Seek the Truth, and this logo which has been dotted all round TERRA observation platform area. Here it says Seek the Truth, so we'll find out what that means as the Phalanx story begins to unfold. Here we go then, so here's another look at that last turnaround section. But yeah, that's all the track that's gone in so far, and the start of the last inversion over here. And then them 2 big supports over there for the corkscrew. Yeah, let's head out of the park now and go and see if there's any Phalanx lorries with more track. Wow, so there's actually quite a lot down here, so I'm not sure what pieces of track these are, but we can get a closer look at the veins on them, which look even better. I haven't seen them this close up before, but just the detail that's gone into them, it's incredible. So something a bit interesting is that some of the track has got veins all over it, like the bits already in, and some is either black on one side or completely black, like this one. So it's very interesting. I'm guessing the veins are going to incorporate into the storyline, and they're only going to be in certain spots. But yeah, we'll see as the track goes into place and see which areas are what bits. But it looks so good. It looks huge in person as well, I can't lie.
Thank you. So glad you approved.